Hello everyone. We are in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will study each parameter in more detail. If necessary, it is possible to pause. You can look at each indicator of the corporation being studied in more detail. Now we will look at the main indicators of the organization. Hanesbrands Inc., ticker HBI. The review was created using current data as of July 16, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company Hanesbrands Inc. belongs to the subcategory clothing brands. 47 organizations participate in the analysis. Look for the order table at the end of the video. The overall result for the company is as follows: -6 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.4 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the entire market as a whole, note that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 6 points for Hanesbrands Incorporated. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Hanesbrands Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares Hanesbrands Incorporated showed a dynamics of -14.6%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 9.9%. Market capitalization of the company Hanesbrands Incorporated valued at $1.55 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $273 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.04 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $52 billion. Having compared the market and book value shares, we see the following. Occupied share Hanesbrands Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 0.568%. The book value is 0.068%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The organization under study has debt obligations of $2.13 billion. Debt to book capitalization ratio is 6,035% of capital. The company's debt level assessment, very bad, -2 points. The ratio of the company's market value to its earnings is 0. Average for the subcategory is 27.4. Evaluation of the stock market value to its profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$222 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $204 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 0.4. Average for the subcategory is 1.6. Evaluation of the market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $3,580 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The marginality is -6.2%, with an average of 5.8% in the subcategory. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of personnel numbers in the subcategory is 7.287%, which is 1,183% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $38,000. And in the subcategory, there are $485,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is minus $5.4 thousand. The average in the subcategory is $17.7 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per individual employee is $87,000. In the subcategory, $308,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of transactions for sale is 11%, with an average for the subcategory of 5.7%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 36% for the company Hanesbrands Inc. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 55%. The company's current share price is approximately $4.40. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $5.09. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the Stock Evaluation Information System, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis Hanesbrands Inc. Reference System of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a sell order at $4.39 per share. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a fairly low valuation and price change. The organization was assessed using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at level 3. Stop loss is set at 5.78. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of trading on August 15, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, CURV, is the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on the channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.